IEA Bioenergy Task 36 focuses on energy and resource recovery from waste to support the transition to a sustainable low-carbon energy system. The task explores innovative technologies, policies and strategies for converting waste streams into energy and products such as heat, electricity, fuels and chemicals by fostering international collaboration. Task 36 provides insights into best practices, environmental and social aspects, and economic opportunities to promote resource efficiency and circular economy principles. The ultimate goal is to reduce reliance on fossil fuels and improve waste management resource globally. If you'd like to get involved in Task 36, please do get in touch.